Nakalagay sa mga lumubog siya, Peter. Ayan. And look at him, how magically is na yung kanyang structure ng kanyang mukha. And yung lizard po and general.
So many.
Hindi po siya scientifically proven by any doctors na gamot talaga. But since culture belief, ayan.
Baka gamot kaya kakainin ng buhay.
Hindi po nilulog. Okay. Ayan. So, steps ng zebra for ano yan sa atin is fingerprint. So, ibig sabihin, for 2,000 zebras walang
Nara.
Mama, there's parrot.
Yeah, wait, anak.
I don't know what these are. I think they're parrots.
Aww.
I'm super
Looting ka forest regeneration. So their diets are fruits naman kasi as what their name suggests, fruit bat. So ito naman yung bayawak or yellow-headed water monitor lizard or locally known.
No, we're going to where? We are going now. We're going to the lion.
I want to go to the...
Hala, dagan kayo. Hala. Hala. Maghuot sila. Sige, touch. Picture na lang. Ato talayon ta. Ready, go. Ato talayon.
Up until now, nagpaparami pa rin sila. So, hinihayaan na lang ng mga tao kasi all animals are traitor naman. So, kapag hindi sila sinasaktan, hindi rin sila mananakit. Hindi na karabaw.
Karabaw nga. Murag ka ang karabaw. Ito ng ilong, oh. Flat kayo. Pilipino man siguro na.
Ang puti nga ilang dito, no? Oo, puti. Sa carrots.
Kuan, kanang carrots maragdaan na, mong na puti.